This is the all-new 2025 Nissan GTR Skyline, looking beautiful. This is a very nice two-door coupe sports car, and you're seeing what it looks like. And this is one of those new GTR cars which is modified. It just shows the possibilities, what you can do with this car if you're into these type of sports car. This is very nice, guys. I like the way it has been dropped low, and the spoiler kits around it showing from behind what the possibilities are. Big masculine wing on the back. Beautiful spoiler kit. I just love this. It's a monster. Another new Nissan GTR 2025 Skyline, showing you what the possibilities are. Those fat rims sitting on there. It's sitting on some fat rims, no fender space. This is a beast right here. Just beautiful. I like the gray on the white, the black on white. It's just beautiful. All new 2025 Nissan GTR Skyline. Just bad to the bone. Okay guys, thanks for your support. Please subscribe to this channel.